Right now in the United States, a new class of wealthy people is quietly being created. They're not celebrities. They're not tech geniuses.
They're using AI while everyone else is scrolling. Part 1. What is this new AI-rich class? Who these people really are? Why they stay invisible? How AI gives them leverage? Examples: solo creators, AI freelancers, automation builders, small digital agency owners. They don't work harder, they work smarter with AI. Part 2. How AI changed the money game in America. Before AI, college degrees, corporate ladder 40-year careers. After AI, AI tools internet access consistency. AI removed the gate. 3. Real ways Americans are making money with AI explained clearly. No hype. Faceless YouTube automation, AI short-form content agencies, AI freelancing, scripts, voice, video, business automation for local companies, prompt-based services, realistic income ranges, $500 per month, beginners, $2,000 to $5,000 per month, consistent users, $10,000 plus per month, advanced systems. 4. Why 90% of Americans will miss this opportunity. Reasons: fear of AI. Information overload, I'll start later mindset consuming. Instead of creating, timing matters more than talent. Part 5. Skills that will decide who wins in the AI era. Future-proof skills. AI prompting content thinking. Automation mindset distribution, YouTube Shorts ads. Degrees are optional, skills are not. 6. What happens in the next 3 to 5 years? Predictions. Early AI adopters arrow leverage and freedom. Late adopters arrow survival mode. Non-adopters arrow struggle. AI won't destroy jobs, it will expose unprepared people. Strong close. AI will widen the gap between those who use it and those who ignore it. The future isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is, will you be ready?